Welcome to the American Story, our new permanent exhibit at the National Archives Museum in Washington, D.C. The American Story is a new, innovative experience unlike any other on the National Mall, bringing millions of records to life over America's 250-year history. What makes this exhibit different is its first-of-a-kind artificial intelligence that allows visitors to personalize their experience. Here's how it works. When you arrive in the first gallery, take your ticket and scan the barcode to start personalizing your visit. Select from a variety of interests from the Revolutionary War to animals. Then select what type of records you're most interested in. This could be paper documents or photographs. These choices will create your personalized experience throughout the exhibit. Many galleries have interactive features, allowing you to scan your barcode, see how your interests connect to the gallery, and save the records that interest you. After you've gone through the exhibit, scan your barcode again and recap all of the records you discovered. You can scan the QR code to access these records on your phone or from home. Your ticket barcode number is all you need. Using the portals is optional. It's your choice whether to activate your personalized experience or explore the museum without technology. Either way, you'll discover new records. Learn more about the American Story and reserve your tickets at visit.archives.gov.